celebrating the Daily Arnie Show with me, Arnie. Well, we finally finished the whole East Coast backpacker tour. It was wonderful, fantastically, and you know what's the next word? Overwhelmingly? Well, we had fun, we had laughs, we had people asking questions, people who joined us for drumming sessions, old people, young people, car guards, cows, zebras, sheep, and the list continues on and on and on and on and on and on. But anyway, you can follow all the stuff that we've done on the website. Check out YouTube, Zoopy, Musen blog, Infectious Agent. It's all gonna be on there. Stay tuned as we have the final words later on in the show and explaining exactly what happened on the tour. Welcome back to the final last words for the Daily Arnie Show Backpacker East Coast Tour. Any final words, guys?
It was fun. It was absolutely fucking rocking.
It was.
But it was.
Check all the clips on the website. Facebook give your comment. We love you guys for your support and support us more as we try to give you some more tours down the line of the year.
Same time next year.
Yay! Woo!
And from us, that's a wrap.
Yeah!